In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to self-host n8n for free. If you're someone who enjoys tinkering with automation tools or simply wants to experiment with n8n without incurring any costs, you're in the right place. The n8n Community Edition is completely open source, allowing you to run it on your own machine or even on a free cloud server. This setup is ideal for learning, testing, and creating personal automations. Before we dive into the process, let's discuss what you'll need. First, make sure you have a computer running Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. One essential tool for this setup is Docker Desktop, which you'll use to manage and run containers. It's also important to have at least 4 GB of RAM available, though 8 GB is recommended for optimal performance. Let's get started with the installation. The first step is to install Docker Desktop on your computer if you haven't already. Docker allows you to run applications in lightweight containers, which is perfect for hosting n8n. Once Docker Desktop is installed, the next step is to create a Docker volume. This serves as a storage solution for your n8n data, ensuring that your workflows and configurations are saved, even if you restart the container. To create this volume, open up your terminal and enter the following command: docker volume create data. This command will set up a volume labeled n8n data that we'll reference in the next steps. Now with the volume ready, it's time to run n8n itself. In your terminal, enter the following command: docker run d name n8n p56785678 v n8n data home stage node n8n docker.n8n io n8nio n8n. Let's break this down a little. The HD flag runs n8n in detached mode, which means it will run in the background without tying up your terminal. Name n8n simply names the container n8n. The P56785678 part maps port 5678 on your computer to the n8n container, making n8n accessible via your web browser. Finally, the Oyster v8n data home node.8n option connects the Docker volume you created to the container, ensuring your data is persisted. With n8n running, open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 5678. Here you can create your owner account and begin building all kinds of workflows. There are several advantages to self-hosting n8n. First, it's completely free. You can build unlimited workflows, and the best part is your data remains securely on your own machine. However, it's worth noting that n8n will only be operational while your computer is on. Plus, webhooks won't be publicly available unless you configure your machine to expose them. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and self-hosted n8n for free, opening the door to countless automation possibilities. Enjoy experimenting and building with your newly hosted n8n.